Okay, a real quick view of the Honda EB2800i. Very quiet, very compact, 2800 watt generator. Real nice piece of equipment. It's about 1,200 bucks. Let's crank it up real quick. Really quiet. Got eco throttle. Overload protection. Got your outlets. The manual says this will run about 20 hours on a full tank of fuel, which is pretty amazing considering it's only about a gallon and a half. This is going on a customer's trailer with a marine charging unit to charge all 3 batteries. Anyway, 561-907-9541. Need a trailer build done? Call us first. Top of the line equipment.